Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to do something different. MJ wanted to take her JL for a spin, and I decided, you know what? Let's take the back roads to Canmore as much as we can. She's never been that way, so we headed out west. Heading out towards Bragg Creek. And some of these sites are just absolutely beautiful. If you guys haven't been out this way, I highly suggest that you guys head out there. This is also the same road that you'd take if you're going to go to McLean Creek, do some off-roading. Actually, the turnoff for McLean Creek is just right to the left there. Anyways, heading through Bragg Creek, there's tons of things to explore and look at. If you see right now, the turnoff to your right would have taken you to the ice caves. Now, this is the turnoff for Elbow Falls and a few other hikes, but you can see all the people. It's crazy the amount of people that are out here now. And now they decide they're going to charge people $100 a year just to come out here. Or you can buy day pass for like 12 bucks, which I think is just a cash grab, but maybe they're trying to deter the amount of people, but who knows. Anyways, at the end of the highway, you can see outlined in black, that is Powderface Trail, which is where we're going to hit. And it's going to be one of the first gravel roads. It's a beautiful trail, tons of things to look at, check out and see. And we just got outside of the provincial park zones. We're in the public land use area. So this gives me an opportunity to get the drone up in the air and get some video.
Every road that we know how to take is lost. We've worn out the mystery. Every answer that's harder to face. I trust to be good for me. Every time that we fall, and I've known enough to know I didn't know enough. Not even close enough to know if it's real or a bluff. You love me like you're struggling to hold back. Then you wonder why we never last. You love me like you're walking on the moon, but you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Thinking back to what we used to have and lost. Yeah, I never thought that it was gonna cost more than my heart and my soul. It's spun out of control. You love me like you're struggling to hold back. Then you wonder why we never last. You love me like you're walking on the moon, but you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Looking into my heart, I saw it right from the start. It was drawn to you. Never could I imagine who you really are. Now look at my battle scars. You love me like you're struggling to hold back. Then you wonder why we never last. You love me like you're walking on the moon, but you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon. Yeah, you swear you'll be back soon.
No, I haven't honestly been out on Powderface Trail probably over a decade, but I'm pretty sure, as you can see right here, at one point in time there's probably random camping allowed, but now every little pull-off that you see that leads to a campsite has been blocked off. There's no motorized vehicles allowed off the gravel road, which is just more and more of our local trail systems being shut down over time, which is really sad, to be honest. Man, this would make a beautiful camping spot. Beautiful. If you're traveling Powderface Trail, always make sure to stop and check out all the little things to check out. There's actually some really cool things to see. And once you get to that open field that I was just showing, it takes you to this other gravel road and then leads you out to Highway 40, which then we're going to head south down to Kananaskis Highway. The original plan of this trip was to go out to Longview to the beef jerky shop there and get some beef jerky and head her to Southway of Kananaskis, because that road is actually very scenic as well, but the gate is closed until June 14th, so this is why we took Powderface Trail and then head to Canmore this way, which is also very incredibly scenic. Now, if you're ever looking for a place to camp and you want like one of the best camping spots in the area, Mount Kidd RV Park is really great if you want to have like full power and all of your hookups and that. Like, just look at these views with the clouds. It's dramatic. It just looks absolutely amazing. So this is where the gate is closed. Once again, this is all part of the Kananaskis area. Where I said before, you got to buy the pass to get in here. Now you just see like the hordes of people. It's crazy. Like 20 years ago, you didn't see any of this. And nowadays, if you don't get out here early, the place is just absolutely packed. And I just filmed, like, just going around the corner here, and the lineup of cars just don't seem to end. It's absolutely crazy. And this is the turnoff we're taking to get off the pavement onto the gravel roads, and this is going to take us through Spray Lakes to Canmore. Another beautiful drive. I have it outlined here on the map. Make sure to make a pit stop along Spray Lakes to check it out. And you're probably almost always guaranteed to see a bear when you travel this road. Just walking down the lake where MJ's going to molest me. Right? Oh, look at that. Little chocolate almonds on the ground there. MJ, don't touch me. I don't like it. I don't like it, MJ.
Stop it.
I don't see anything. Oh yeah, I just see him. He's looking for a kill. This would be a great place to come for a picnic. Too bad you can't fly a drone here. You get some epic shots here. I think on the bench would be a perfect place to smoke a cigar. Well, it's not as steep as I thought. I guess I can't really push you off.
Here's the third spot you're going to show me.
You know, maybe if the river was closer, I could have just pushed you down, watched you fall in the river, and swept out to the lake. This is such a gorgeous view. You want the big one.
Get it later.
Clouds are so dramatic. Yeah, too bad we're still in the park limits here. Those views down by the lake would have been pretty epic. Now finally entering the town of Canmore. If you've never been to Canmore, Canmore is an absolutely beautiful mountain town. And I must say it's incredibly expensive too. You gotta have deep pockets if you want to live here because everything is crazy expensive, especially the real estate. But to get away out here for the day, stop to get something to eat, check out the town. It's kind of nice because right now in the summertime, the main street is blocked off and it's just all vendors and stuff. So you can go check it out. By the time we got there, everything was packing up. But we did go for a short walk. Stopped and grabbed a beer and something to eat along the way. And then we headed out back to Calgary. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit different, but I just want to show you something different. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.